My name is Mike Haddad. I'm the owner of M Plumbing Pasadena. I've been in business for 30 years. We're a family business. We're local in the San Gabriel Valley. My goal is to provide excellent service for my customer, be there on time, get there as fast as we can in emergencies, and have a good customer relation. What sets our business apart from other companies, we are a family owned. Our technician been with us for at least 10 to 15 years. We provide several services besides plumbing, including water damage and restoration and reconstruction. So you only have to call one company for all your needs.